step in the arena, I get my knuckles cracking. I try to keep it clean, but who knows what could happen. I see a long row, an ensemble of the best fighters from a combo of consoles. First came Ryu, a guy who cries as he tries to fight you. I deck the dude in his chest just before I shock Blanca when I kick the fool directly in his testicles. And Sub-Zero felt the need to freeze me, squeeze me, that's cheesy, his ass left bleeding. I Falcon Punch Captain Falcon just as I Super Smash Mario up in his mustache. And Panda gets up in my face and I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to beat him till he's bleeding for extinction, leaving Knuckle in